What's up, world? I'm Mr. Vaca and this is Millie, and today we're going to show you how you can easily import PDFs in Google Classroom practice sets. The first thing that you want to do is go to classroom.google.com, and then you'll see in the top left-hand corner the main menu icon. If you click on that, you'll then click on practice sets, and you're taken to the practice sets library. This is where I have all my different practice sets that I've been working on. But now when I create a new practice set, on the bottom here, you have import. And if you click on that, it pulls up your drive, select a file where you can check your recents, you can upload from your computer, you can easily search in Drive, and I have here a math worksheet that I'm going to have my students do. But all I need to do now is to click and drag the problems that I want to include. Maybe I don't want to include this one, that's okay. I can click, drag, drop, and I can also reshape the box if I accidentally cut something off, like right there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, drag and drop. And then if I made a mistake, I can delete a problem like that and add a new one. Once you're done highlighting all your boxes, your next step is to hit import questions. Click that box. And now you have all of your questions here automatically. I have to delete this one because it's the automatic first question that pops up. Very easy. Click these three dots, delete question, and now these are all the questions that I've highlighted and dragged and dropped from the PDF import. And now I can enter in the answers, search for skills, and when I'm all done, hit done editing and can attach it to my classroom assignment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something, but most importantly, don't forget to work hard, play hard.
Hit that subscribe button and thumbs up. Don't forget to hard work. I'll see you next time.